Hello there. There are errors you face when you try to increase a large format, and you could just face one this scratch disk error. Try could not complete image and all that because of scratch disk. Normally, you will come to your local disk and try to erase everything that pertains to temporary files. But sometimes, even after erasing all its files using this local disk method, you still face that trouble. So if we go to the preferences of our Photoshop, for instance, we would see the free spaces that are remaining in our local disk, and maybe if we have external. One of the advice I always give is if you have an external hard drive, when you are in this scratch disk, select it. And if you have free space in that hard drive, for me, I don't. But if you do, select it and use it as your scratch disk temporary file. That's one of the things Photoshop requires to, empty out all the heavy rasters into while it's working. In fact, while Photoshop is working, it does that a lot. It processes a lot of large files so that you don't end up exporting the large files. You don't be doing 200 MB of files. That would be too much for your computer, for even any storage device to handle. So what Photoshop does is to use files temporarily, and by the time it's done, it will delete them. Most of it doesn't delete it, and they just stay as Photoshop temporary files, which you can always delete yourself. Okay, but for instance, now you've tried the disk method, properties, disk cleanup, and then checking the temporary files, you see that it's not cleaning up. All you can do is just go to the temporary folder file itself by hitting on run on your system, maybe Window R, and the run command comes up. You just type in like so, %10% in front, and it will load up to this folder you see, and then you select everything because nothing here is useful, and delete. Shift delete please, so that it deletes everything without moving to the recycle bin. And if it asks you for any other thing that couldn't be deleted, just skip because not everything actually deletes. And then try again the image size processing or the large formats, and you will notice that this time around it will process through without the error. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and please hit the subscribe button for more tips like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.